Oyster Chronicles, travelling from East Putney to South Kensington using my Oyster travel card. On my way to Exhibition Road to Imperial College for a lecture.
As is what's happening during an acute allergic reaction, anaphylaxis. But it's also a system that is necessary for us to survive until the next day of infectious disease, which is a good thing. Fewer and fewer people are dying from infections, that's very good. But in parallel, there's a equally, rapid increase in immune-mediated diseases. Diseases, as I illustrated earlier, that cause inflammation in the brain, like multiple sclerosis. Intestine, like inflammatory bowel disease. Lungs, asthma, skin, etc., etc. So what is going on here? Why is there a link between the two phenomena?
This was such a great lecture by Professor Petter Brodin. There was an after reception, an opportunity to meet new people, and thank you to the sister who told me about this lecture. There's so much to do in London. Use your 60+ Oyster card, explore, enjoy.